Hello, let us find three rational numbers such that this equation is satisfied. Alright, so let me begin by calling the left hand side of the equation y. Alright, so I'll write y is equal to cube root of 2 minus 1. Now I'll cube both sides, which will give me y cube equals this cube root will go away and I'm left with cube root of 2 minus 1. Alright, so let's keep this in mind. Alright, so now let me change the color of my pen and now I'll say let x be equal to cube root of 2, this thing over here. Alright, which means x cubed is equal to 2. Very interesting. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1, which will give me x cubed plus 1 is equal to 3. Now I'm going to subtract 1, which will give me x cubed minus 1 is equal to 1. Now x cubed plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. And this we know is equal to 3. Similarly, x cubed minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, and we know this is equal to 1. Now let us consider this equation. Alright, let's consider this thing. Now if I keep x minus 1 on the left hand side and take the second term to the right hand side, I'll get x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. Alright. Now let us multiply and divide the right hand side by 3. So in the numerator I'll get 3 and the denominator will be 3x square plus 3x plus 3. Now this is very interesting. We are getting somewhere. Now if look at this term here, the last term in the denominator, it is equal to 3 and we know that it is 3 is the same thing as x cubed plus 1. So now let us substitute x cubed plus 1 in place of 3. So this will give me x minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 3x square plus 3x plus x cubed plus 1. Now if you examine this on, let me rearrange this. So I'll get x minus 1 is equal to 3 upon x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now look at the denominator. It is nothing but x plus 1 cubed. Alright, so now let me replace this, the denominator, by 3 upon x plus 1 whole cubed. Alright, now x minus 1 is y cubed. Alright, so I can write y cube is equal to 3 upon x plus 1 cube. Taking cube root of both sides, and let me write here, I can say y is equal to cube root of 3 divided by x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is what? x plus 1 is equal to, if you look at this equation, x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon x square minus x plus 1. If you look at this part, and if I take this term to the right hand side, on the left hand side, I'll be left with x plus 1, and the right hand side is going to become 3 upon x square minus x plus 1. So we know that x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon x square minus x plus 1, and I'll substitute the value of x plus 1 in the denominator. So this will give me y is equal to root 3, cube root of 3 divided by 3, and then this thing will become the numerator, and I'll get x square minus x plus 1. Now I can write this as, now let me take this 3 inside the cube root sign, which will give me 3 in the numerator and 3 cubed, which is 27 in the denominator. Now also replace x. The value of x is cube root of 2, right? Which means x square is cube root of 4. And this is cube root of 2, and this is 1. Now let me simplify, let me uh, juggle this up a bit. Now here we have all positive signs, right? But here we are getting a negative sign, right? So let me convert this into a positive sign and do some more simplification. So the first term here becomes 1 upon 9. Then the second is cube root of 4. We don't need to change this. Now I'm going to take this negative sign inside the cube root, which will give me negative 2 and then plus 1. Now let me open the bracket and multiply everything. So y is equal to cube root of 4 upon 9 plus cube root of negative 2 upon 9 plus cube root of 1 upon 9. Therefore, our triplet is 4 upon 9, negative 2 upon 9, and 1 upon 9. This is our answer. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.